amabati enda umisialia utagiti showroom yetu nigo ere engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokia giso yao chingagi ogoswasa yigo kurigiriya amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na wigo cyo teberiye kindi gensi uragania no gotebereriya company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari yechikala ao na wigo ayuwiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao na mono babwata no corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimi babwata boomerang ayuari ayechigech emerongetato asama bati ayechigech emerongibirinaisaro babwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate igani kabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwa mabati iga niko bokolengana amo nukonya bwe customer babwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochukanyara kwa bogo tumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ou MRM showroom onare ko bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sibika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo orakoburu kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchurigo musongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgotera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Mugasomyo mwancho muregereria Getembe TV ritkoria Jumapili tariki 24 mutenyo kianda mwaka bw'ekirubere 24 Isano Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ireyo wenge njengore kwa Catherine Nyaboga Kevin Ongere kuri studio ya kabere nara kwaneke buna chibichana Mario Gingu kirachira asenchera yewe kranu Wilson Makori korasomonwa wibanyerero Mwazira mukoro boborendi bwime Dr. Freddy Matiang'i ni gaborira abagusi bonse kobamo buna abana bamogokwana korase kanise ya Adventista ya Nyamasheme ni gaboreti abarayi n'abana siasa gukorera amangana emire amonene nyasaimire mu batari kuyaka egekuba Matiang'i asensemende ni gaboreti abagusi bamoye okoboko anemono asiganga yayo kurya ikirobo cy'oburayi bwensasa bajari buri mutwe mu mwaka 2027
Awonzibi na abantu bamingi none umunyaroko ino uri mudinde go glory ruwa nazo tsikana no mubazi omwana cyaro mudinde no muzika ni no mubazi ukari wona mera no tora awonzi na to kwana buya to sikaini to anjaine to genda buna to genda iga tigata bya mu na abana bamo anyina mangana y'ubugambi abantu aba babo bazi abana abantu abangani bana chekine ka bana chire kino batayire kwante winga Fred yabona ko kazi noyo nandi bali bantu batigire onye twanyore kero kiriye kenene irize ko jokaranze kero ko bwati simba galia kazi rero to ko se atwenzi you have everything you want wonde kero ko take ko bwati simba to sabanya saa to konyo to ya doji bosio fangai pasta ekanisa kini ngiyo na kwenzi kwa kingi jomono ko ba ko ro madanya Simon ntunta ya tole na indi so ko ro manenje so kwerwa na so weke tingo takana tangaze bintu ye kanisa na sai ga ta tole kanisa tole sadaka yaye wokiu na no ko kwa bodi bataka tigende kike utamanyeti njege ndonako sabaki ukora ni open ni bank account ye kanisa jitiranga nengore gazi yani kwa adina wantu amatunda anarolekane atinga taweli wantu utambenga nani ga milimeto kuri Kenya jitinga bwa yake kuba kino muntu bwe gazi ayenge gazi mambyo boke orre mwanya wasete binto nina wantu bakujikuba matemu mai tuna wasangire zibonzo gakorana nande bayiranire ninje baganye penzo nande mbagendi so inyo account begazi ringo to bwaterane paganda uchubosi abantu baminto na abasabire ngo koleranga tusaberane na saba mona intwe na inwe murandi obwanchani twanchane tokea nyabanya bitinya tokea n'ibintu bide byonse uno mwana oyo ominto ga igateba gabana arati tubwaterane igo togenda uchubosi kwara chikora chitore amo awonzi
Raibwense Daktari William Ruto nigo ayigereire getambukiro gya serikali gyokobeka igati ye murobere ya serikali ase Chinchira chekerero okona kora Nairobi chinga kichege karo kyogosangirira gosomo chango bugosira chiskuru gose amasomo y'abana abaIslamu imeye county ya Mandera Ruto nigo ayigererete umurobere o procurement gose kugura ebintu gwetira Chinchira chekerero nagoteba iyo ninchira yemo yogokiania chibesa cha serikali ekyo kigotumika ase Chinchira kitabonete gose cyabeire kiko kurumwa anene ase serikali chikika.
And three things together. Number one, the reason why we digitized our services and we are now saying we want a cashless system. We want to pay using a system that is predictable. The reason why we have digitized government services, we have digitized government payments, we are digitizing SHA, we are digitizing all the things we are doing is number one, so that we can improve on integrity. Number two, the reason why we agreed that we must have a conflict of interest bill and law now that makes sure that those of us who have the privilege to serve in offices that exercise authority and power must be held to account so that we don't abuse the positions we have or the power we have or the authority that we have. And finally, it is the reason why we want government procurement to be in a transparent place where we can be sure that we are getting value for any purchase or any procurement of government services. I had an occasion to exchange ideas with the government of Indonesia. And they were very clear that through e-procurement, they saved up to 40% of money spent by procuring in a transparent manner. I want to encourage us as leaders, all of us, to work together. I know e-procurement for now may not be, we still have challenges with it. We will correct the challenges, but the ultimate goal is to make sure that citizens of Kenya get value for the resources that they make available to us in the national government, in the county government, and in every other procuring entity. That way, we can be sure that we can move this country to the next level.
Mokonyo bene b'umurai bwense Moske Faruk Kibet niga mochire ensemo yo kwamirira serikali asoko gendera komochi umurai bwense na kumubaka amaleta. Ukwana imambia rero kurwase kanisa ya Twigo ya PH egotoka Tarbo akaunti ya Sinigishu Kibet nigo aigira mirobero ao yo Moske Ruto.
Kwamba wakiamuka asubuhi ni kabila hii na kabila hile. Hawana agenda ya Wakenya. Agenda yao kubwa sana ni ujojezi, mulima, mteremuko, pakafu. Sisi tunawaambia inchi lazima iende mbele ikiwa na umoja ya Wakenya. Amani. Hawana lugha hiyo kikanisa. Hawana lugha kwa vinywa vyao. Don't divide the country along tribal lines. And there is no need, if you don't have an agenda, there are more people who have more agenda than you. Kwa sababu nimesikia lugha yao kwamba wao hawatakuwa na candidate. Walisema candidate wao mkubwa ni kondoo. Sasa tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu sasa hakuna, unajua nyinyi ni mnaenda December. Kawaida yetu kondoo, ng'ombe, kuku ni ya kuchinja na kusherekea. Sasa kama wamejiondoa kwa race kwamba wao hawana candidate wao ni kondoo. Hiyo basi ni kusema kwamba agenda zao zikiwa za kuuza ukabila haijanunulika kwa Wakenya. Na mimi niulize watu atapsogoe hapa nyumbani. Nyinyi ni wakabila ama Wakenya? Mnapenda amani ama fujo? Wale hawana agenda. Wanasema Kasongo must go. Nyinyi mnajua Kasongo ni nani? Sisi hatujui. Si mnajua William Ruto ndio president. Hii Kasongo wanasemanga ni nani? Ama nyinyi mnajua? Wanasema must go. Iko kitu imeandikwa kwa kanisa must go. Yaani wangesema Ruto must go forward to develop Kenya. Ruto aende mbele ku develop nini? The president of this country anapigana usiku na mchana kuona kwamba ukabila isije katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. William Ruto ameleta mambo ya SHA. Na mimi naomba governor tufanye bidii. Watu ya Uasin Gishu wawe number 1 kwa mambo ya registration ya SHA.
Muriki obotambe ase wizara yobocheni umero muthoni niga kwaneire emirimo ase abasai. Muthoni niga kwaneire murobiri wokulika abanyanyimbo yori bosyo na kobori abasai babe maiso ase murobiri yutochie kobaita ase boigo akwanirete emirimo ya serikali eyekobekwa ase chigazeti chia serikali.
Kama ni mambo ya youths nimeona na tunajua aswa my youths wanataka jobs. There's police recruitment coming. Mtu asikae nyumbani aseme mimi sina network. Mtu ajiingize hapa. Na hakuna kazi ya mtu katika hii Kenya. Kazi ni za Wakenya wote. Whether umetoka Kirinyaga ama umetoka Mombasa ama umetoka mahali yoyote. Wewe hautabanguliwa sababu umetoka Kirinyaga. Wewe nenda hapo useme niko na qualification na ndio hii hapa. Kwa hivyo tukisema sasa police recruitment iko kwa gazeti. Tuende tuambie vijana wetu waingie. Jeshi recruitment imeanza. Tafadhali wale watoto wako nyumbani waangalie kwa makini. Na kuna kazi zingine nyingi through Public Service Commission. Sababu hawa ni watoto wamesoma, ni vizuri kukaa ukiwaambia muangalie kwa system, wajue ni nini imekuwa advertised pale.
Chinga kechechio muthoni nigo haburiti abantu bagendere kwelikia no murubiri osha ase atebete kurengana ni katiba ya Kenya afya no bwene bwakira omo Kenya ase boigo atogete muraibwense kubwatira ne wizara y'abachenu na ase babikire omokia erigo kinia ensemo y'abache.
I have noted with a lot of concern that very many people still do not understand why they need to register to the Social Health Authority. And we have sat here, we've talked about referral system. Do not wake up in the morning and walk into a referral hospital, because that is where the problem may start. Please visit your nearest dispensary, nearest health facility, or nearest level 4 facility to just ensure that you get referred to the next level of secondary treatment. It is important to get the referral. When we train our healthcare workforce, we train them, some of them we train them for specialist care. We may not take a specialized doctor in the lowest level of the facilities where tunangoja watu wa homa, mwenye akona homa, mwenye amejikata tu kidole kidogo na upanga. That is for first aid care. And that is why we need you to visit that level of facility. Then you are referred if there is any complication to the next level for specialized care. And we are very keen about this. Healthcare must be accessible, must be available, must be affordable, and must be of quality to every Kenyan. And this is not an ask, it is a mandatory requirement according to the Constitution of Kenya. So what His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, is doing is just to implement the Constitution of Kenya and ensure that every Kenyan accesses quality health care for all. We are committed. Please ensure you register.
Chitaika ikomina Isano chiabutukire igoro Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mubaso manche morigereria na ara yakore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenge tomurane chikoraga Chinsa iko.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi minenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babwata chirangi cyo kwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriye chiamache inyaranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri buriyike iri yagatigati wekariguri iri abantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochogana chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangibiga aseduke nyiganya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwato korelekana ukuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke nyiganya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigoro songo eyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene ringi ya Credit Bank asamage bakire simu terase namba chabo 0111161500 Ori Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka kimyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere Gekuru obukorere ase Chinsa mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali Chinsa chumaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere osira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuro chikompany ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boygo abonjereria ipotani na wa Kenya pamoja sako yonyore obukoreri ubu